Yo, what up YouTube? Sniff Money here. Got an unboxing for you guys today, and it is coming from Primary Arms. Uh, I've had this package here for about 2 weeks. Been very anxious to open it up, but I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys, so been saving it. As you know, doing an AR rifle build, so decided to order something from Primary Arms for my rifle build. So gonna open her up and let you guys see what I got here. Alrighty. I don't know where my knife is. I think my son took it from me. So having to improvise here. But we will get this thing open. Like I said, I've been waiting for 2 weeks. Open this thing up. I think we about have it. So open it up. See what we got here. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. It's not wanting to focus today, but try to get you guys some good video footage here. Get all this wrap out. Let's see, we have another box. So let's get this out of the way. See, we got a shipping slip here. Let's see, we have a Radical Firearms 16-inch SOCOM upper receiver without bolt and carrier charging handle, and that was $279. Shipping was $11.75, and it got here in about 3 days with that shipping. So $291.70 total. All right, let's see what we got. Open this box up. And we have some more packaging. I can say Primary Arms packages their stuff real good, so should be in good shape. Sorry it's taking so long here. Like the little Radical Firearms sticker there. You know, I don't know too much about Radical Firearms. Didn't see too much about it on YouTube. But I read a few reviews online, and from what I read, everything seemed to be okay for the price. You know, this is not a high-end upper, I guess. You know, kind of a budget upper, which I was gonna order one from Palmetto State Armory, but they didn't have one available with a quad rail, so that's what I was really wanting. So found this one here from Radical Firearms through Primary Arms. So here we go. First of all, you can see on the top an R for Radical Firearms. You have the T markings. Let me get some light here. All right. The upper is an aluminum forged upper M4. So we're supposed to have some M4 feed ramps, which we do. The barrel. See, the barrel is a 16-inch 4140 chrome moly steel barrel. I guess with a phosphate coating. It's chambered in 5.56. It's a 1-in-7 twist ratio. Button rifled. The end there is threaded in 1/2 by 28. Let's see. It has a carbine length stainless steel gas tube. And it has a low profile micro gas block. As you see, it has all the T markings and the side markings, left, right. Has a dust cover, forward assist. And first impressions is not too bad. Looks pretty good. Like I said, it has a socom barrel. I guess it's just the straight barrel. Most ARs I see have the I guess the M4 barrel, but this is a socom barrel. If you feel like it's like ribbed or kind of threaded. So I'm not too familiar about that, but I did like that it was a straight barrel. So looks pretty good. You know, this is gonna be for my AR rifle build. And so it has a mid-length quad rail on there like that. So got my upper end. I have a lower parts kit, and just got to get everything together, and I'll be ready to rock and roll pretty soon. Got a nice upper here, and say A2 birdcage flash hider. I'll probably be getting something different. Thinking about getting a Troy medieval muzzle brake. So it's gonna be picking up a few things in the next couple of weeks, and hopefully I get the lower together pretty soon and be able to attach it to this upper and be ready to rock and roll. So just wanted to give you guys a look at this upper I got in from Primary Arms by way of Radical Firearms. $279, $291 out the door with shipping and everything. So just wanted to give you guys a look at it. If anybody has any info on this upper and the company, please comment, let me know. Or if you heard anything about this company, good or bad, just let me know. All right, so look at my upper, and I just want to thank you guys for watching, and like, comment, share, subscribe if you want to, and you guys have a good day. 1.